The Algorand digital currency is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it tackles the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's adaptability while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new advanced organization will work on the effectiveness of the normal monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth flow of monetary forms. Our continuous ALGO to USD cost update shows the ongoing Algorand cost as 18 cents USD. According to our Algorand cost forecast, ALGO cost is supposed to have a 4.52% lesson and drop as low as by April 25, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers recommends that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 87%, with a trepidation and veracity list score of 56. Over the most recent 30 days, Algorand has had 16 30th green days and 4.92% cost unpredictability. Algorand specialized outline, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Algorand is $22, and ALGO is as of now position No. 39 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Algorand is $1,537,206,496.06, with a market cap of $7,121,971,145 ALGO. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 2 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ALGO has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 8.54%. Algorand has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of a LGO has expanded by 14.44%, adding a huge typical measure of 3 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Algorand will be 31 cents. The greatest level that the ALGO cost can reach is 38 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 32 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 50% by ALGO value estimate for February 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 25 cents in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 22 cents and at 25 cents. Separately, expected return for capital invested, 0% by WAC 2023. Algorand value estimate cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the ALGO cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 24 cents, while the most extreme could reach 26 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 25 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 3.8% by ALGO value figure for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Algorand in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ALGO rate they foresee may be around 26 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 25 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 28 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 11.5% by May 2023. Algorand value estimate around mid-year 2023, the ALGO cost will be exchanged at 27 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 29 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 25 cents in May 2023. Expected return for money invested, 15.4% by ALGO value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Algorand costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 28 cents. The most minimal and top ALGO rates may be 27 cents and 30 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 19.2% by July 2023. Algorand value gauge crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ALGO cost will be around 28 cents. In July 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least 27 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 31 cents in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 23.1% by ALGO value figure for August 2023. Having dissected Algorand costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ALGO rate could arrive at a limit of 33 cents in August 2023. It may, in any case, drop to 28 cents. For August 2023, the determined normal of Algorand is almost 29 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 30.8% by September 2023. Algorand value estimate around mid-2023. The Algorand cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 29 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the ALGO cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 34 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment. 34.6% by ALGO value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Algorand worth won't dip under at least 29 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 36 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 30 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment. 42.3% by November 2023. Algorand value gauge digital money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of ALGO costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Algorand will be around 37 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 30 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 31 cents. Possible return for money invested. 46.1% by ALGO value conjecture for December 2023 in view of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 32 cents in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 31 cents and at 38 cents. Separately, likely return for capital invested. 50% by Algorand value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Algorand will be around 46 cents. The greatest expected ALGO cost might be around 55 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 47 cents in 2024. Algorand value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand. In 2025, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 63 cents and 78 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 65 cents. Algorand value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Algorand and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base ALGO cost could drop to 92 cents, while its most extreme can reach $1.12. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 94 cents. Algorand value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least ALGO costs are normal in 2027, $1.63 and $1.38. Overall, it will be exchanged at $1.43. Algorand value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the variances of Algorand. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ALGO cost will be around $2.05. It could drop to at least $1.98. However, it actually could reach $2.41 all through 2028. Algorand value expectation 2029 consistently. Digital money specialists plan figures at the cost of Algorand. It is assessed that ALGO will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $2.81 and $3.36 in 2020.